Hey DIY, if you've got an old Price Pfister Avante shower valve with that ugly acrylic crystal handle and you think your only option is tearing out the wall, stop right there. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade this valve with a modern trim, no demo, no replumbing, and for about $100. I already did this in my other bathroom and it works. So this is the Avante valve. Twist left for hot, twist right for cold, then pull out for pressure. Most of these were installed pre-1999, and the original trim is usually plastic or acrylic. And yeah, not great looking. Finding info on upgrading these online, almost impossible. But thanks to my local plumbing supply store, I finally got the right setup. Parts you need: Price Pfister Retrofit Kit part, Pfister Serrano Trim Kit. This is the only trim that works with this retrofit kit. That's it. You don't need the full shower kit, just these specific parts. Step 1. Remove trim plate. First thing, remove the old handle and trim plate. I just had this tub refinished, so I'm being extra careful not to scratch anything. Take your time here. Once that's off, you'll see the existing valve stem. Step 2. Install retrofit brass adapter. Now take the brass adapter from the retrofit kit and install it right here. You can replace the internal cartridge if you want, but I didn't need to. It worked perfectly in my other shower, and it's working here too. I'm not claiming to be a plumbing expert. If someone knows a solid reason to replace that inner part, drop it in the comments. Step 3. Install trim plate. Next up, slide the trim plate over the valve and secure it in place. Make sure it's level and seated properly before tightening everything down. Step 4. Install handle. Now thread the handle assembly onto the valve. Once it's seated, use a small Allen wrench. Tighten the set screw underneath. This handle still works the same way. Twist for temperature, pull out for pressure. Simple and smooth. Step 5. Final look and cost breakdown. And there it is. A clean, modern upgrade without opening the wall. Cost breakdown. Trim kit, about $55. Retrofit kit, around $15 to $20. Way better than spending $1,500, $2,000 replacing the valve. If you've got an old Avante valve and hate that crystal knob, this is the upgrade you've been looking for. Huge shout out to local plumbing supply stores. They made all the difference here. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching and happy DIY.